Hi, we are going to continue the creation of multi-page web application by linking to a database. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is this URL. We have created the user for web connection for the MySQL database, and we have created the virtual directory. The next thing we need to do is something optional, okay, which is good to look at right now. Okay, so what we do is we go and look for services. So we should be able to open up the local services and scroll down to the SQL server agent, and server browser. And make sure the SQL server is running. Okay, and I'm going to just start the server browser as well. Alright, just in case. This one is pretty optional. You can start it, you can stop it, it doesn't really matter. So that's about the services. So the next thing you want to do is to create a couple of things. Okay, and we are going to try to connect to the database. Okay, so we are going to create a file called order.aspx, and it's going to be in to put in the place that we want to put our files, okay, which is eg002 here. And so here we are going to create a couple. We are going to use, of course, we are going to use Visual Studio for that. Okay, so we are going to open our Visual Studio 2013 version, 2013 version, and we are going to create a new website that points to ctem my ASP.NET eg002. So I'm going to create a file. Okay, we're going to do a file new website, which you can also do it here, but we're going to do it here. So file new website, and there are two ways we can do this. One way is we can do a web form site, which it gives a lot of folders. You create a lot of folders for you. Another one is to do an empty website. I'm going to do an empty website, and I'm going to browse for the location. So I'm going to go to the file system. We're going to go to C drive, TEM, MySQL.NET, eg002, and that is our folder that we're looking at. We do open, and let me say OK. Okay, so at eg002 we have this project created for me, and I'm going to create a couple of subfolders there, okay, just to cater to the requirements we need. We can create it here, or we can create it here, okay. So I'm going to create it here, so I'm just going to do a new folder. We're going to create a code folder, and we are going to create another folder called we are going to create another folder called add data. Another folder called images, and another folder called styles. Okay. And in the images folder, we are going to create a subfolder called product. And we can actually create it here, or we can generate it and things like that. I think doing that way is easier. And then I'm going to just refresh, and we should see the folders here. And we need a couple of things for this application. So one of the things we need is styles. Okay, I can. We need the styles. We need the images. So I'm going to download the images and put it in the images product subfolder. So download these images here. Oh, it's already a product folder here. So I'm just going to put the images here. Okay, and then I'm going to download the styles. I'm going to right click save as, and I'm going to save it into the C drive 10 MySP and so 2 styles. I'm going to save it there. Okay, so styles will be here. So the style sheet contains all the formatting I'm going to use. I'm not, of course, in a real life situation, you should create this by yourself, but I'm just demonstrating how this thing can be set up. So I'm just going to load it there. Okay, so that is that. And we set up this refresh, so you see all the files. So the next thing we want to do is create a order page here. Okay, so the end product of this application will look like this. Look like this. So it will be like a simple Kung Fu Panda shop. You will be able to pull data from the database. Okay. The data is from the database table, which was created by us, which is stored in the SQL Server Management Studio Kung Fu Panda shop here. And we're going to pull the data from here. Okay, so if you look at products, you will have okay, you will see that the information here will be pulled from the database and displayed onto the website like this. Of course, right now it's empty with only the folders. Oops. So obviously it's not working. Okay. Alright. So later we are going to make this guy work, eg002, and make it work like this. So that's going to be covered in the later videos. Thanks for watching for now. We'll continue in the next video.